Boom. Good morning, evening, or afternoon, Bear family, wherever you happen to be in the world. We're taking a look at Bitcoin's price today, and is it going up or down? And depending on the time frames that you're looking at, could go either way. It's best bet, as this is not financial advice. This is strictly for information and at best educational purposes only. And as we've come down this nice, really defining bearish wedge here, we're starting to come to some of the conclusions of this market, and I think it's important to keep a close eye on it as we get closer and closer to this area. As I've said, these are like a tension string, and when they snap quickly and in either direction. Now we do have the 0.236 line down here somewhere around the $3,600 mark, which is still a possibility, as we have seen Bitcoin break into this 236, or well, not Bitcoin, sorry, but most of the blockchain tokens break into this 236 area on the Fibonacci extension retracement, although yet we not yet have broken below the 382 line around the $6,500 area. And as you see actually a little more closely, in between the $6,700 area and just below that around the $6,300 area, we've been kind of refined into this little kind of consolidation line right here, and that tension I think is going to be released somewhere, let's see, somewhere around November, December, for picking a very tentative direction. So I think Bitcoin's likely next kiss is moving then up into this bearish trend reversal right here, which is around just around 6,900. So I would suspect we hit 6,900 before coming back down, testing this $6,300 area, and then either retesting or breaking down or out somewhere in the beginning of December. So I've got my eyes on this one for the next few months as time unfolds. This is nothing but pattern recognition, and it's the best thing you can do as an investor is you look for exits like this big peak that we saw here. This is a great time to take profits, or at that point we actually moved into a lot of the other digital alternative assets, riding their waves up next, and then taking profits over here in May as we realized that everything was about to come jumping and diving downwards. We had mentioned that as well in all of our portfolio, that we're moving out of the alternative digital asset space and back into Bitcoin, and anything that we needed for profits for the next year we took out into our operating fund so that we can build as an entrepreneur and as a business as well. So for any of you that have any questions or comments, please leave those down below as we do our best to answer them, and or leave our opinions, which is usually more what we have a lot of, is opinion. Answers maybe not so much, it depends. Those facts may vary. Everyone's results may vary, I guess, at that point. If you're new to the Bear family, please remember to subscribe, share this content with your friends and family. Give us a thumbs up if you found it at least semi-amusing, or give us a thumbs down. YouTube likes it all the same. Content, I guess, criticism and feedback is welcomed, although we do like to keep it humble, civil, and well articulated. This is Theo with the Arcane Bear, signing off until next time. This is your weekly update for Bitcoin and blockchain something or other. We'll see you guys on the side. Bam.